Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics quickly: fuel, oil, and a visual safety check. Turn key to prime or choke if cold, and listen for a steady crank. Once running, make sure blades are disengaged and engine warms for 1-2 minutes so oil circulates. Adjust throttle to a moderate idle while you test steering and brakes gently. You should feel smooth control. If not, shut down and recheck connections and controls before moving on. You now engage the blades and begin mowing in a logical pattern. Perimeter first, then rows. Start at a safe, steady pace, about 3-5 mph, so the mower cuts evenly, slower for tall or wet grass. Once done with edges, adjust ground speed and overlap each pass by roughly 1/4 of the deck to prevent striping. Make small steering corrections rather than abrupt turns, and change deck height for uneven areas. If clumping occurs, reduce speed. You finish by disengaging the blades, lowering the throttle to idle, and cutting the engine. Always remove the key. After the mower cools, clear grass buildup from the deck and inspect blades for nicks. If the machine won't start next time, first confirm fuel and battery charge, then check the spark plug and air filter. If blades don't engage but the engine runs, look at belts and PTO clutch. Replace worn belts and tighten pulley bolts to restore blade drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.